I have only very, very few words after the game, but yeah, it's nothing. It's nothing to talk in the moment. It's really hard. I really feel for him. That's nobody wants that, and yeah, that's the situation. The mistakes were obvious. We don't have to talk about that. It's all clear. He knows it. I know it. You all know it. And now he has to deal with it. We have to deal with it. We will do that, and of course we will be with him. There's no doubt about that. But I'm pretty sure in this room are a few people. They will, if they forgot how we lost against, well, they will try to remember things like that. I really hope that your mistakes are not that good in memories of other people. So, but tonight, we don't have to talk about that. It was not his night, obviously, clear.